And here comes our crew making their way in toward the ramp. Actually coming in a little bit hot. And we're going to slow it down here, try and make the slow roll approach as we get close to the dock. And we'll do a little quick brake check. And it's a little more than a brake check. We are backing straight up. Heading toward the trees. Cap's going to turn it out now. Never a dull moment down here at the ramp, though. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy, Wavy Boats. It's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting 79. And I'm not really 100% sure what Cap is doing here. He's backing down hard again. Reversing hot. Where is he going? I'm not sure why he didn't take the ramp at the end. Apparently they didn't like something about it, though. And making the turn. Bro, where are you going?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God.
Almost hits our camera crew. And they're gonna, I don't know what he was even thinking. Even if he would have came into where our gear is over here, they would have been beached. They would have hit rocks and stuff. So Cap's resetting, I guess. I'm just a little dumbfounded. Thankfully they missed. So we're gonna try and set this one back up again. Let's see if they can hit the dock this time instead of hitting us. Look pretty good on the approach. Except I'm not sure where you're going because there's jet skis and boats at that dock. But they're coming in on that one anyway. And we get just a handoff exchange. That's it. This was a lot of effort by this captain just to hand something off. I'm not sure what was handed off, but whatever it was, deserved enough effort to go through everything we just witnessed over the last few minutes. But our crews got whatever they were looking for, and it looks like they're going to be working their way back out of here. Kind of a wild scene for sure. I couldn't see what was handed off, though. But we see Cap again. This crew looks familiar. This was the same boat that almost hit us earlier in the day. And we are back from our day out exploring Miami. Unless we're just here to grab another handoff. Maybe we are, I don't know. Something else was just handed off to my man heading up into the bow. Crew is working their way toward a dock. Let's see. They have a little better luck than they had earlier today. They're kind of starting off the same way they started off earlier. We don't got a good shot of them yet. They're in our trees. Taking a nice slow roll approach on the dock, though. Well, no, we got lines in our hand this time, so it looks like we're trying to get onto the dock. For a minute there, I was like, okay, maybe they're just doing a dump and go again. But Cap's coming, trying to get it set up. Gotta watch out, there's a jet ski in front of them as well, though. So they're going to miss on the first attempt, it appears, and we're going to have to back up and try and get this thing over. Cap coming in. Our guy in the bow is giving a little direction of some kind. And is he going to go for the jump? He looks like he's questioning it. Probably could have went for a line toss. They're going to pass on that one as well. It looks like he tried a half attempt there. It doesn't look like he got it, though. So maybe this is why we saw the little handoff earlier. Maybe Cap isn't all that keen or hot on trying to dock this thing. A little back and forth action to kind of get him going, but that's not really helping. He's not landing it. Got to get the bow over, bro. You're going to have to turn bow in on this one if the goal is a bow line. Here we go. Coming in bow. First, coming in hot, though. Gonna have to brake check it. When he hits that brake check, that's gonna kick the stern around. So brake checks it back out. Talking to somebody behind him now, like, yeah, bro, that's my dock. I just can't get on it. Maybe he should let the guy that was coming in behind him hit that dock and show him how to do it. So here we go again. Trying to swing the bow around one more time. And man, the angle is just poor. Brake check, kicks the bow back out. He is struggling to find his grip on this one. We're going to try and do a full U-turn. Bro! And my man comes over with the quick save on his tide water. My man's like, go to your dock over there, bro. So Cap's backing in. Oh, man. I thought we were definitely getting a collision there for a moment. So Cap's back behind the wheel, but we've kind of stalled out for the moment. Is he backed in on the dock? It's tough to tell from this angle. And if he is, maybe he just needs to get off of the line, and that's exactly what he's going to do. Know when to fold him, baby. So now he's going to try and get the boat over, but bro, you're going to have to turn this thing around. If you guys are pulling it out, you've got to get the bow facing forward. Maybe he's not pulling out, because if they're going to tie off like this, I'm imagining they're not. And we may just be picking something up or dropping somebody off. Comes over to the side of the boat, and he's kicking it off, which tells me, yep, he's going to try and turn it around. They are not done yet. I'm going to applaud him on this approach, though, because obviously maybe there's mechanical issues going on. I don't know. So I'm not going to just blame it on the captain, but at least he's figured out enough here. He was struggling, and the easiest way for him to get this thing turned around and back put up on the dock is from the dock itself, not trying to mess with trying to power it on. So I definitely agree with this call. They'll get the stern line over, and they should be good to go from here. And speaking of good to go, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode on Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.